Ever tried to make Google Translate speak fluent British, only to be left scratching your head? That's because Google Translate doesn't actually have a British setting, it's a language translator, not a dialect translator. It works by translating between different languages like English, Spanish, French, etc. So, if you're aiming for that proper British pronunciation or spelling, the key is making sure your starting or target language is set to English. This will influence the nuances of the translation. Notice how certain words might be spelled differently, reflecting British English conventions. For example, it might change color to color, or realize to realize depending on the context of the original text. To hear the pronunciation, simply click the speaker icon. After the translation appears, Google Translate will pronounce the words based on the English language settings. Sometimes, buried in the settings, you might find options to influence regional accents or spelling preferences slightly. But don't expect a dedicated British mode. It's more about the subtle influence of the selected English language on the overall translation. So, while you can't directly select British, playing around with the language settings and paying attention to the translated text and audio can help you get closer to that British English feel. Happy translating!